you've got a lot of people telling you how much money they've made from digital products, but not showing you exactly how to create your own successful digital products. Hi, my name's Rochelle and I'm the digital product queen. I discovered digital products just over 2 years ago and I've made 6 figures selling digital products on Etsy, on Shopify, on social media, to the point where I was able to quit my marketing director level job. Like, what the hell? To sell digital products online from absolutely anywhere. I created this checklist so that you know every step that you need to check off to have a wildly successful digital product. And when I say wildly successful, I'm talking about 6 figures from one product. And yes, this works for PLR products. No, you don't have to create these yourself, but yes, you do need to do the work to go into it to make sure your product's great and make sure your audience loves them and they're irresistible. So this is why you've got the digital product checklist, okay? And I can't believe I'm giving this to you away for free, but here we go. This is exactly how I use this checklist. So start here. I tell you all about digital products and how you can use them and how they work. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to nail your niche. You've probably heard this before. I give you some advice on exactly what this means. And then these are the steps that you need to follow to nail it, to understand exactly who you're talking to, understand exactly who your product's created for and what problem it's solving for your audience. So take your time, go through, tick each one of these off. Once you've ticked off every single one of these boxes, you and your target audience are going to be like this. You're going to know exactly what they want and you're going to create products that they want. This is the 6-figure tea. Now, once you know exactly who your niche is and your target audience is, it's time to create a product. You don't have to do this yourself. You can buy a PLR product, which provides a great platform for you to then edit it and make it your own. Listen to me. Please hear me when I say this. Make it your own. Do not resell the same product that everyone else is. It just doesn't work. Trust me. But once you've ticked off every single one of these things, you know you have a winning product. You know you have a product that is unique, has a value proposition, has features and benefits that your audience is going to go wild over. If it doesn't address a problem or a pain point or get them closer to a goal or their desire, it's going to flop. And you also need really strong branding. So I cover all of this in the product section. Now onto pre-launch. This is my fave, and this is the part that a lot of people don't talk about, and God only knows why. They probably don't want you to make 6 figures with digital products. I do. This is why I'm telling you. But you can't just go out there and just drop your product out in the ocean and think everybody is going to flock to it. Your product is going to fall like a lead balloon if you do not do your pre-launch, because you need to warm people up. You need to let people know this product is coming. It's going to solve these problems for you in your life. You're going to love it. So get ready to pull out your credit card. And you're going to do this by growing your email list. So you're going to do this by having a great freebie that's going to help you to grow your email list. And then you're going to send emails out to people, warming them up for your product. You're going to have things like a wait list, things like an automated email sequence. You're going to go live on your social media. Like, it's all covered in this checklist. Just keep ticking those boxes and you're going to have a fire pre-launch plan, okay? And people are going to be so ready to buy that literally as soon as you click launch, people are going to be buying your product because you've set everyone up, you've hustled hard. Now, this doesn't mean that you put your feet up and think that the launch is done. No, it's not done. You still need to spend some time really driving traffic in your launch. So this is when you convert to sales. This is when all the hard work that you've been doing along all the other phases finally pays. Okay? So you're going to have launch content that's going to address any objections. You're going to have a sales page that is super optimized, and you're going to test everything before you go live. The important thing is, in that week or two that you're calling your launch weeks, when you're really going hard, you need to be visible. So make sure that your calendar is set up so that you have time to really give back to your audience. Be on social media, be answering DMs quickly. Make sure you're doing all those discounts and bonuses that expire within a few days to really create that urgency. And that is how you're going to have an amazing launch. And I'm not saying you're going to make 6 figures on the first run, but have faith in yourself, manifest it, believe in abundance because it is coming for you. And then the last part is really kind of found your feet, found your role with digital products. You're going to think about how you're going to start expanding. You're going to think how you're going to start moving beyond those first initial products and what it is that's really going to set your business alight. What's really going to push you up into those 6, 7, even 8 figures. This is when you're going to start ticking off stuff like funnels. You're going to start revamping your email sequences and really dialing in. You might then explore more social media channels. So I really recommend that you focus on 1 or 2 for pre-launch and launch. But once you're into this, like I say, you know what you're doing. You might want to start adding things like Pinterest, LinkedIn, blogs. You're going to also think about things like upsells and kind of collaborations that you can have with other influencers. So you can see that this free checklist is really going to take you from the bare bones of starting your digital products business all the way up to scaling. And I think that it's so important to have a resource like this. And you really will not find other resources like this out there on the market. There'll be other guides that tell you what digital products are. I mean, watch a YouTube video, you know exactly what they are. Gutter guides that tell you, sell PLR at MRR. Yeah, we know, but what makes a successful product? You'll find it all in this free checklist. So if you email me with questions, let me know if you want some one-on-one support. Let me know how I can help you even further. And if you haven't got this checklist, then there'll be a link below somewhere, left, right, down, up. There'll be a link so you can check this out for completely free. I can't wait to see what you're going to do with digital products. I cannot wait to see how your life is going to change. And I cannot wait for you to experience true time, true location, and true financial freedom. See you soon.